What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing a video on all my animals. As you may notice, I deleted all the other videos on the channel except for one, the one lizard video I uploaded. This is gonna be a review on my snakes, my lizard. It's gonna be cool though. I am gonna be getting a crab, a fiddler crab. I'll start doing videos on it on this channel. On my other channel, TJ Based, I'm going to do, I don't really upload on it. I don't really upload YouTube. I'm going to try and put most of my focus to this channel. And this channel mostly. So, let's get into the thing. So, this is Athena. Hey Athena, never been in front of the camera before. She's very feisty. I don't know why, but she is. Athena. Athena. Hey, Athena. Oh, she's completely ignoring me. That's fun. So, she is a Mexican black king snake, or a black Mexican king snake, or whatever you say. We have this heat pad. Doesn't really get too hot. I have a water bowl back there, so she can like get water because she gets thirsty. We have this rock because last time she escaped. I'm just kidding. But she never escaped. You think we're gonna let this snake really escape? You think we're dumb? I like pulling pranks on you guys. But we switched cages. Hey, look, she moved. She's moving. See you at the next animal. This is Caramel, our caramel corn snake. I don't know why I named him Caramel. Oh yeah, I'm dumb. We just saw Athena, but now we're seeing Caramel. Caramel. There's his head. His head's back here. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hang. I'll go give you another view of Athena like this. He lives in this thing. We used to have a milk snake, but we let him go. We used to have a rat snake as well, but we let that go. Now for the lizard. I don't really have to move. Oh. Batman? His name's Batman. Batman? Are you back there? Where are you, Batman? Batman, I need help, buddy. Oh, there he is. He's in the water. In the water. That's him. He's hiding in the water. He's being a jerk. Not letting me record him. See you on the next animal. Which is no new animal. It's just Athena again. We're going to be showing you. Oh, she's moving. She's moving. Okay. It's not a really new animal. I showed you this snake a second ago. Oh, she's ruined it. Well, anyway, guys. Those are all my animals. Like I said, I'm going to be getting a fiddler crab. Actually, 2 fiddler crabs. So, I'm going to go play some Fortnite. Peace.